Okay, we are back again. We're going to try to finish this room. We decided that wall color is a little bit lighter than what we thought. I got someone here trying to get some airtime. Little Lucas.
Uh-oh,
so we brought some
someone else.
and someone else.
He gonna help paint.
Little Sean. Hi. So we got a little bit darker shade that we're gonna try. We bought a couple of gallons of it, so we're gonna use it, and hopefully we'll like it a lot better. We're about to get started on that now. We got one layer on, and it has darkened it up a little bit. It's kind of a cream color. It's hard to tell with this light, but you can kind of tell right here by looking at the window. It's white,
and even right here.
And yeah, and you can tell the color of the. It's got a little creamy tint to it. Tannish. Kind of looks grayish in this video, but it's really like a tannish. So we got all 4 walls painted, and then we brought the trim with us that we pre-stained some of it at home, and then we'll put it on. Probably do that tomorrow because it's already getting late. It's getting almost dark, so we'll be doing that tomorrow probably. Okay, this is our bedroom. I didn't get to do a lot of filming. It was just too hard to film. Tight spaces, couldn't get any good angles on what I was doing. So anyway, this is what it looks like now. She painted the vent a terracotta color. And then we had the other pieces on the front wall. Those were black. She did those terracotta too to give it a little bit of color in here. We got all the wood trim that we stained. We got all that done. We darkened the walls just a little bit. The other was too white, so we brought some that had a little bit more tint to it. And got it all trimmed out all the way around. And then this is what it looks like. Her little crates are back in there again. We got some little strips there that are a little smaller than the ones that we have running across the floor and the ceiling, going over the seams of the OSB. So it turned out pretty nice because this OSB kind of looks like a, you know, a textured wall when it's painted. If you put the smooth side in, and it looks good. It's real cozy, nice and cozy in here now. So that is pretty much it for this bedroom. Got this done, and next time we'll be doing something else other than this bedroom. But I will show you in just a minute what we did with some of this trim on our living room wall that we hadn't trimmed out yet. Okay, this is our living room wall. We did this a while back ago. We saw another guy's cabin here that he had put up the OSB, and his was a little bit darker green, I think, but we liked it for the cabin look, and we did our living room wall, just this one wall with that. We had to replace it anyway and redo a window, but so now I have the wood trim all the way down, and it's also on the baseboard. It's kind of dark in here. Turn a light on in here, maybe to make it a little better. Yeah, you can just see it running across the bottom. I put it around the door. We hung our coat rack right here by our bedroom. There, get a little more light on it. So we had enough trim to do that too, but we're not gonna put the you know, the little ones up and down the seams on this wall. We're just gonna leave it like it is, and the rest of it is still you know, the paneling in here and stuff. So we'll just leave that one wall like that.